Okay, here we are, learning English with Halo 3. Let's do it. Die! Die! Ah! 1, 2, 3. I want the hammer. Give me the hammer. Yes! I've got my gun. I can shoot my gun into this puddle. All right, let's follow these guys.
Come on, I'll lead you out.
Let's follow these soldiers. Let's jump over this log. Jump. These are
Bravo team, this is
huge
Johnson.
trees.
Got it.
And it looks like there's some moss on the trunks. All right, let's continue. Ooh, what was that sound?
That sounded close.
Too close.
He said it sounded close.
Johnson, you be advised. Hostiles are on the move.
Uh-oh.
I've got eyes on
There are
them.
enemies close by.
Say again, gun.
Sergeant
There's
Major.
an enemy ship.
Phantom inbound.
Those ships
We stick
are
together,
called
we're gonna get spotted.
phantoms.
Let's split up.
It's a waterfall. Okay, let's go up there. Jump. Jump.
Up ahead.
Oh, look.
Single brute. Plus backup.
It's an enemy. Uh-oh. Does he see me? Oh, they see us. Die. 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 Ha. Ooh. What's over here? Uh-oh. More enemies. Die. Die. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I'm hiding behind this rock. Die! I'm going to switch to my pistol. Ha! Now I'm using my pistol. Die! Whoa! I killed that guy in one shot with the pistol? The Phantom is flying away. Let's pick up this weapon. Alright. Now, I'm dual wielding. I have a gun in each hand. With my left hand, I can shoot the left gun, and with my right hand, I can fire the right gun. Die! 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 I love dual wielding in Halo 3. Ooh, there are some flares on the ground. Let's go up here. Ah, here there are some vines hanging down. Jump! Let's go down here. Ooh, this is a dark cave. Are there going to be any creepers in here? Die! Ah, cattails. These plants are called cattails. They're usually found in swamps. Ooh, and over here there are some lily pads. Ah. Die, die, die. Ooh. Uh-oh. I'm out of ammo with the gun on my left. So I'll throw it away. Uh-oh. Got him. What's over here? Ooh.
But I can't raise Bravo.
This is one of my favorite guns in Halo. This gun is the Needler. And of course, it's called the Needler because it fires needles. Look at the top of it. It looks like a porcupine. Watch. It fires needles. Die! We saved him! Aha! Let's walk across this fallen tree. It's like a bridge. Let's go up here. Uh-oh. These ones have shields. Ooh, those ships are good ships. Those ships are called Pelicans. Uh-oh.
Watch yourself! On the thruster! Hang on!
There! Help coming!
Well, the good ships exploded. Okay,
Stay sharp. It's not
now
over
we need
yet.
to find the crashed Pelican.
Hey, he slipped
Oh,
into cover.
there are more enemies over there. What's this? Oh, the battle rifle. I'm going to pick up this gun. This gun has a scope on top, which lets me zoom in like this.
Get ready.
Zoom. Ha. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, it's another phantom. Die. Ooh, there's a pipeline up there.
My bird's down.
There's a leak in this pipeline. They're snipers. There are snipers up there in the trees.
Come on, you dumb apes!
Oh, there's another one. I got him.
You want breakfast?
I'm the sniper.
You gotta catch it.
I'm the sniper here. Okay, okay. My shield regenerated. Now let's go. Die! Die! I punched him. Ooh, let's pick up this gun. This gun looks huge. Whoa. Hey. Who's shooting me? Die. 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 I'm gonna throw a grenade at him. Die. Oh, I missed. I missed. Ha. I got him. I think I ran out of ammo. Yeah. I'm out of ammo with this gun. Oh, but... Ah! I found more ammo from this guy. Oh, I see a flare. You always need to follow the flares in video games. Ah. I can see a phantom.
I will help you sprint.
Uh-oh. We need to rescue him. It looks like there's lots of enemies around. One more. Got him. And I'm out of ammo again. Uh-oh, but I can punch him. Punch! Punch! No! Okay, let's try this again. Die! Alright, I killed both of the shield guys. He's running away! Die! Whoa! Why was that barrel flying? Uh-oh. Ooh, will this explode? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Yeah, those things explode. Oh no, out of ammo? Okay, I need to find some new guns. Any guns here? Well, this is a small gun, but it works. Pew, pew. Ah! I love the plasma pistol. Oh, dual wield? Ah, we're dual wielding plasma pistols. Pew, 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 pew. Look at this. This is good counting practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it stops at 5. Where am I? There are cracks in this wall. What if I throw a grenade? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh no. Whoa. That guy is holding a hammer. A huge hammer. Die! I'm gonna throw a grenade. Throw! Throw! And I'm out of ammo. Okay, I'm gonna throw my bubble shield. Now I have a shield. Uh-oh, out of ammo. I have no ammo. Okay, we're dual wielding plasma pistols. Die! Die! Oh, I want the hammer. Give me the hammer. Yes! Come here. Come here. Die! 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 Oh, let's pick this up. Ha! Headshot. Okay, watch this. Let's pick up this gun. I like
Battle is
this
over.
huge gun. Grenades. Grenade. I picked up some grenades.
This isn't
Here
as
we
fun as
are.
it looks. Cut the power.
There we go.
What you
We
need,
saved these people.
Been hot.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. There are two ships here. Die, die, die. A traffic cone? I'm gonna throw a grenade.
Going loud. Everyone down.
Die, die. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, hide, hide, hide.
Scratch two.
It exploded. And now it's floating in the river. Ah! It's a friendly ship.
Hold your fire.
Oops. Should I kill someone? Alright. Well, let's jump onto the ship. And I think this was a successful mission. We're flying off. We did it. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. See ya.